What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video I am going to show you how to use the one-handed mode on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, Z Flip 5 or any of the Samsung Galaxy smartphone. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So if you want to use the one-handed mode for whatever reason on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, Z Flip 5 or any of the Samsung Galaxy smartphone, let's say you got a bit smaller hands and you are not comfortable with the huge screen, then you can reduce the size of the screen and then you can easily use the device with one hand. For that, you have to go to the settings to activate this feature. You have to go to the advanced features, and here you will find an option called one-handed mode. By default it is turned off. You need to just tap on this slider to turn it on, and if you tap on this text here one-handed mode, then you will get this page where you can select whether you would like to use the home button to activate the one-handed mode or the gesture. So if you select the home button, then all you have to do, tap twice at the home button and the one-handed mode will be activated, or you can select the gesture mode and then you will have to swipe down from the center of the bottom edge of the display to activate the same option. The second option is better in my opinion. So now let's say the one-handed mode is activated, and if I want to use it, all I have to do is just tap twice on this home button here and the screen will be reduced. If I want to move it on left side, then all I have to do is just tap on this icon here, go back to right side. If I want to exit the one-handed mode, then you can tap anywhere on this empty screen and the one-handed mode will be over. And if you want to move it up and down, then all you have to do is press and hold at this white bar here, and after that you can put it at any height you want. So this is how you can use the one-handed mode on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, Z Flip 5 or any of the Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.